Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be giving you an 8-month recap on the Drunk Elephant A-Passioni Retinol Cream. Now I started my YouTube channel back in January of this year, and my second video that I ever posted on my channel was reviewing the Drunk Elephant Retinol Cream. I talk a lot about the product and I go into a lot of detail on that product. So if you want to see that video, I will link that below for you or up here so that you can check that out after this video if you don't know too much about this product already. But I have been using this product now for 8 months, and I think this is a really good time to come on here, give you a little update on the product, and to let you know whether I've been seeing changes in my skin and whether I will be continuing to use it as well. So if you're interested in seeing what I have to say about the retinol cream, then please keep on watching. Alright, so like I mentioned, I've been using the Drunk Elephant Retinol Cream since January. Now when I first started using this product, I wanted to start off very gentle and very slow because I know retinol treatments can be a little harsh on our skin and it can cause a lot of irritation when you're just starting to get used to a product. So I went ahead and started using it 1 day a week, and I did that for several weeks until I saw that my skin was able to tolerate the product. And then slowly after that, I then incorporated it to 2 days a week and then 3 days a week as I saw my face being accustomed to retinol. I've mentioned this product a lot in several of my videos, but I especially touch base on this product in my part 1 nighttime skincare routine, where I actually show you how I use it, how much product I use with it, how I mix it with the B Hydra Intensive Serum, and what other products you can incorporate in your nighttime skincare routine along with the retinol to prevent irritation and dryness on your skin. So I show you exactly how I use this product in my part 1 nighttime skincare routine. So I will link that video below for you as well as up here so that you can check out that video if you're not sure on how to use a retinol in your nighttime skincare routine. So when I first started using the retinol treatment, I had a calendar where I was keeping track of all of the days that I was using the retinol, and so I knew exactly on what weeks and what day I'm using the retinol to keep track on my skincare routine. I really wanted to start off very slowly and take my time using this product, so I really wanted to know exactly what day I was using the product, which days I'm not using the product. So this is a great way to incorporate a retinol in a retin-A, is to get a calendar and to write down the nights that you're using a retinol, and then you'll know what you can incorporate in between when you're not using a retinol treatment. So like I said, I was starting 1 day a week for several weeks. Then I slowly went to 2 days a week, which I wrote it all down on a calendar, and I knew exactly what days to use the retinol treatment. And now I'm at 3 days a week, and I'm still at 3 days a week even though it's been 8 months. So I tried to incorporate the retinol 4 times a week, and my skin was a little bit too sensitive. I saw a lot of dryness and a lot of redness and irritation, so I knew that it was still too soon to jump to 4 days a week. Now everyone's skin's different. I know that there's people that bought this product and just started using it every single day as soon as they bought the product, and they're okay, their skin is fine. But for me, I have sensitive skin obviously, and I can only incorporate it 3 days a week even though it's been 8 months. So if you can use this every single day, good for you, that is great. The more you use it, the more beneficial it's going to be. But you want to make sure that you do start off slowly to make sure that your skin can tolerate a retinol product like this, or any type of retinol for that matter. So since I've been using the retinol, I have seen minor changes in my skin, but nothing dramatically different yet. So the things that I have seen in my skin is that my skin's clarity is a lot more clear, it's a lot more brighter, and it's not so dull looking, which I really like. Now I used to have a lot of texture and roughness on my chin area because that is the area that I'm prone to breaking out all the time. My skin's texture on my chin and even my cheek area right here is a lot more smoother and clear, and my acne breakouts have definitely diminished significantly since I've been using a retinol treatment. My breakout areas are normally my chin as well as my cheek areas on the sides right here. Now I don't break out as much anymore. I do get the odd pimple here and there, which is normal, but I definitely don't see as many breakouts as I used to see, and I don't get cystic acne anymore either, which is a huge bonus because I used to get a lot of cystic acne on my chin, and it's so painful. If you've had it, it is so painful. You can't do anything about it. It's swollen, and even when you wear makeup, you can still see it, and it just looks awful. So I have not had one cystic acne since I've been using a retinol treatment, which is amazing, and my acne has definitely diminished significantly as well. So if you're somebody with acne prone skin and oily skin, Retinol is definitely going to help with that. It definitely has helped with me, and I've seen a big difference in my acne, and that is the #1 reason why I wanted to really start a retinol, is to clear up my acne and to clear up my skin's texture as well. Now, I know I have mentioned to you guys before that I do have some past acne marks that are still left on my skin, and I have like these red areas when I'm not wearing makeup, and I had some really bad breakouts back in the day and it made marks on my skin, which is normal. A lot of people go through that. So a retinol is supposed to help diminish that as well, to help fade it, and I have definitely seen a slight fading in my acne marks as well. They're not gone completely, but they definitely have faded quite a bit. Now you can't see because I'm wearing makeup right now, but I have definitely seen a big difference in that area. So it's not as red, it's a little bit more faded, and I'm sure the longer I use this product and the longer that I incorporate a retinol in my skincare routine, I'm sure it's going to fade more and more over time. So I've definitely seen a difference in my acne, 100%. I have seen a difference in the way that it's fading my past acne marks. They're not gone completely, but they definitely have faded a little bit. Now, I do have some fine lines around my crow's feet area, as well as some fine lines on my forehead, which a lot of us have, and I have not seen a difference in that yet. So I think it's going to take a little bit longer when you're using a retinol to diminish fine lines and wrinkles, especially when you are only using it a couple of days a week. Obviously, it's going to be more beneficial if you're using it every single day. You would probably see results quicker than someone like me who can only use it 3 days a week right now. I haven't seen much of a difference in fine lines and wrinkles. I've only really noticed it with my acne and my past acne marks. So that is the update with the retinol. It definitely hasn't changed my fine lines that I do have, but it definitely has cleared up my acne, my skin's clarity, my skin's texture, and my face feels a lot more brighter as well. And when I am not wearing makeup, my forehead just looks so smooth and it looks really shiny, and I love that because it's helping to exfoliate my skin and to clear up my skin at the same time. So if you are looking to purchase a retinol treatment, I would highly recommend it. It's a great product to start out with, especially if you've never used a product like this before. It really does help with anti-aging, like I said, with acne and a lot of skin concerns like dark spots and whatnot. It really does help, and I would really recommend a retinol to anybody who wants to start incorporating an anti-aging product in their skincare routine. And I think it's very important. Make sure that when you are using a retinol in your skincare routine, make sure that you're using it at nighttime, and make sure that you're using an SPF every single day, and try to incorporate that in your morning skincare routine before you apply your makeup, because a retinol will definitely make your skin way more sensitive to the sun. We are trying to eliminate fine lines and wrinkles, past acne marks, dark spots. We're trying to make our skin more youthful, so you want to make sure that you're protecting that new skin that we are creating with the retinol, that we're not getting more damage from the sun back onto our skin. If you're not going to use an SPF, then you might as well not even use a retinol, because it's not going to do anything for us, and we want to protect the skin that we're in. So make sure that you're using an SPF when you are using a retinol treatment. And I have done a couple of videos on my go-to sunscreens, so I will link those videos below for you as well, and I will also link my go-to face sunscreens below for you as well, and they're all mineral based, so I think that you will find something there that you might like to incorporate in your morning skincare routine. I'm still going to continue to use this all up, and it really is beneficial. Definitely want to use up every last bit of this product. So that is everything in today's video, and I really hope that you found it helpful and knowledgeable. I've been really wanting to film this video for some time, but I wanted to give it a really good length of time before I came on here and gave you a final update on the product. So I think 8 months is a good length of time for a review and to let you guys know what it's been doing for my skin. So if you have any questions, leave them below like you've been doing, and I'll definitely get back to you as soon as I can. And I will definitely see you guys in my next video. So take care, and we'll see you guys then. Bye guys.